things that you can do that don't cost you any money. So for example, removing all my kitchen cabinetry. That was easy to do. You take off the doors, you start breaking down the cabinets, you have an electrician come in to cap lines and plumbers to cap lines, but I did the rest of it myself and disposed of it. That saved me a ton of money. The other thing that I did was I worked as my own general contractor. Now I have some experience having renovated homes in the past. So when I did it by myself, I knew that I needed to find people that I could trust and that would perform on time. The other thing about renovating a kitchen is, this is a pro tip, set up your own little mini kitchen. Put in a microwave on a trestle table with some saw horses, and have your disposable dishes or the things that you can wash in the sink in your bathroom. And that will just make life so much easier. Once I actually ordered in a 3-time-a-day meal service for a week and a half when I knew I wasn't going to have any water in the kitchen, and it worked out great. I also kept my little bar fridge, and so I could still have snacks in the morning, and so that saved a lot of takeout money as well.